Good morning, dear children. Today we are going to deal with the last few exercises of our lesson, Olympic Games. And by today we are finishing the lesson. We're completing the lesson, and tomorrow we'll be writing the notes. I want everyone to write the notes very neatly. And this is the first lesson of our second term. So please write it very neatly. And so today we'll be dealing with 2-3 exercises. And the first exercise is word power. And I want everyone to open the textbooks to page number 55. Page number 55. Word power, page number 55. A pentathlon is a sports event consisting of 5 athlete events. A pentathlon, it's a sports event, and in that event 5 athletic events will be held, like Olympic Games. So this is also a pentathlon is also an sports event, but only 5 athletic games will be held. So the important thing what we have got to learn here is penta. Okay, pentathlon. Penta means 5. Have you heard about pentagon? It means it's a closed figure which has 5 sides or 5 edges. So that's why it's called as penta. So in this section we are going to learn about the numbers and the words which indicate the numbers. Okay, now everyone look at exercise A. Here are some other words that indicate numbers. What do they mean? So we have some words and those words indicate numbers. So we're going to find out the answers for this. Look at the questions. The first one is duet. Second one is unicorn. Third one is binoculars. Fourth one is trilogy. And fifth one is quarterly. So you have 5 questions. And the first one is duet. Does anyone know what a duet is? Duet means a performance done by 2 persons. It can be any performance, a dance or a song, anything, and it will be done by 2 persons. So duet means 2, done by 2 persons. So you can just write over there 2. Okay, duet means an event or a program done by 2 persons. If penta is 5, then duet is 2. Okay, the next one, unicorn. I hope everyone knows what a unicorn is. It's an animal which has a single horn. Single horn means only one horn it has. Usually we see animals with 2 horns, yes or no? But unicorn has only 1 horn. So that's why unicorn. The uni stands for one or single. That means one corn or single corn. Uni means 1. Okay. And the next one is binoculars. You know what a binocular is, right? It's an optical instrument with a lens used for viewing distant objects. If some things are very far, you can with the help of a binocular you can have a look at them, even if it's at a distance. So binocular has it has 2 lenses so that we can use for our both eyes. So bino means 2. Bino means 2 binoculars. Or you know what a bicycle is, right? Bicycle. It's bi. Bi means 2. Okay. Bi is 2. So in this binocular, bi means 2. You have 2 lenses in them. So that's why it's called binoculars. Okay, the next one, trilogy. Trilogy. Tri means 3. Okay, trilogy means it can be 3 related books or 3 related stories or 3 related novels. Okay, 3 of them will be related to each other. So tri means 3. Okay, and you know our India's flag is tricolored. Yes or no? Tricolor. We have saffron, white, and green. So we have 3 colors, so that's why it's tricolor. So tri means 3. And then the 5th one, quarterly. Quarterly means it's divided into 4. Okay, it's divided into 4. Quarterly means 4, or you can say like 1 by 4 in max. In fraction, if you say, it's 1 by 4. Okay, so I'll say it once again. So unicorn means 1, uni means 1, du or duet means 2, bi or binocular means it's also 2, trilogy, tri means 3, and quarterly 4, and penta 5. I hope you understood. Okay, now turn to the next page, and we have an interesting exercise here. Match the words in column A with their synonyms in column B. You have 2 columns, and you have to find the synonyms. That means words with the same meaning. Okay, words which have the same meaning. Let's look at the questions. Look at column A, children. Look at your textbook. The first word is hard, second one mild, third one awful, fourth one clever, and fifth one huge. And in the column B you have A intelligent, B enormous, C tough, D terrible, and E gentle. So these are the answers which you have to match. And the first one, what is the synonym for hard? Hard, tough. Okay, hard and tough have the same meaning. So the synonym of hard is tough. So you can write number 1 near tough. Shall we go to the next one? Okay, mild. What is the synonym for mild, or what is the, find the other word which has the same meaning. Which might be the answer? Mild, gentle. Okay, mild means gentle. The synonym for mild is gentle. So you can write 2 near gentle. Third one, awful. Awful means something bad. Okay, which is very bad. Awful. So what might be the synonym for awful? Terrible. Okay, if something is very bad, you can say, you can use the words it's awful or it's terrible. So these are the synonyms for awful. So the answer is terrible. Okay, the synonym for awful here is terrible. And the fourth one, clever. Clever. This answer everybody knows. What is the synonym for clever? Intelligent. The synonym for clever is intelligent. And the last one, huge. Huge, enormous. Enormous. Huge means very big. Okay, so the synonym for huge is enormous. Okay, enormous. So check the answers. The synonym of hard is tough. Synonym of mild is gentle. Synonym of awful is terrible. Synonym of clever is intelligent. And synonym for huge is enormous. So these are the answers. Synonyms means words which have the same meaning. So next section is we are going to find the opposite of few words, and those can be called as antonyms. Okay, now I want everyone to turn the textbooks to page number 56. Match the words in column A with their antonyms in column B. Antonyms means opposites. Okay, like the opposite of happy is sad. Yes or no? It's an antonym. So here we're going to find the antonym. The last section we found synonym, words with the same meaning. Here we're going to find the opposite meaning. Okay. Now let's look at the questions in column A. The first one correct, second one blunt, third one famous, fourth one sad, and the fifth one healthy. And in column B we have A unhealthy, B infamous, C sharp, D incorrect, and E cheerful. So let's find the answers. Are you ready? Okay, the first one, correct. What is the antonym for correct? Incorrect. The antonym of correct is incorrect. So D is the answer. You can write over there, number 1. Second one, blunt. Blunt, the antonym of blunt or the opposite of blunt is sharp. The opposite of blunt is sharp, or the antonym of blunt is sharp. So C is the answer for the second one. Third one, famous, infamous. Famous, infamous. So the answer for the third one is B. So you can write number 3 over there. And look at the fourth one, sad. Sad. The opposite or the antonym of sad is cheerful. Cheerful. The antonym of sad is cheerful. Cheerful means one who smiles all the time. Okay, that's the meaning of the word cheerful. And the fifth one, healthy. It's very easy. Unhealthy. Very good. Unhealthy. So check the answers. Correct, incorrect, blunt, sharp, famous, infamous, sad, cheerful, healthy, unhealthy. I hope you have finished this. Shall we go to the next section? Yeah, the next exercise is about spelling. So it's nothing much to think. It's just a small thing what we have to learn, but still it's very important too. There are certain words that are often unintentionally misspelled. In English, what the thing is, uh, we cannot write the same way as we speak. Okay, that's the main problem in English. So I want to give you a few examples. Look at the one, the first one, Stationery. How do you pronounce that word? It's stationery. So it's actually TIO. We pronounce it as sh sound. Yes or no? Actually, we could have used SH, but here we have used TIO. So it's misspelled. Yes or no? And the next one, receive. It's receive. Actually, this look at the letter C. So actually, we pronounce the letter C as, we can also say it as k sound, but here we are using the s sound. Okay, so this can be the word which can be misspelled. We can either write, we can use it as also, yes or no, but it's wrong. So it can be misspelled when you write, but you should know the spelling, only then you can write this word. And the next one, accommodation. Accommodation, here the same thing, TION. We can use SH, but we are using TION. These words can be misspelled. So in English, misspelled means we can make the spell, we can just write the spellings wrong because of the sound. Okay, but what we have got to do is we have to just understand, we have to keep something in mind, then only we can write the correct spelling. Okay, in English we have such problem, that is we do not write as we say. Okay, the spelling will not be exact as we pronounce. Fill in the blanks with the correctly spelled words. And here we have the words which are mostly misspelled. So we're going to find the correct answer. Look at the first one, dash houses over there. So in the brackets we have two words, THERE there and THEIR there. So THERE is a demonstrative pronoun and THEIR is a pronoun. Okay, demonstrative pronouns means we point to something, and pronouns are the words which we use in the place of a noun. So these words are mostly misspelled by everyone. So what might be the answer be? Dash houses over dash. It's there T-H-E-I-R, there. House is over there. T-H-E-R-E, there. Second one, her dash was bothering her mother. Look at the words given in the bracket. A-B-S-E-N-S-C, A-B-S-E-N-C-E. So the answer should be A-B-N-S-E-N-C-E. But mostly people make spelling mistake. It will be A-B-N-S-E-N-S-C mostly, right? But the actual spelling is A-B-N-S-E-N-C-E. Her absence was bothering her mother. Third one, we value our dash. Look at the spelling of independence. I-N-D-E-P-E-N-D-E-N-C-E. I-N-D-I-P-E-N-D-E-N-C-E. So the answer is I-N-D-E-P-E-N-D-E-N-C-E. Independence. So this is the correct spelling. Look at the fourth one. Heracles dash his dream. We have the word fulfill, but it's one is correct and one is wrong. F-U-L-F-I-L-L-E-D and F-U-L-L-F-I-L-E-D. So which is the correct one? It's the first one. F-U-L-F-I-L-L-E-D. Fulfilled. Fulfilled. And the fifth one, I will participate in the dash. And then look at the word given in the bracket. It's competition. Look at the spelling. C-O-M-P-E-T-I-T-I-O-N. C-U-M-P-E-T-E-T-I-O-N. So what is the answer? It's competition. C-O-M-P-E-T-I-T-I-O-N. Competition. Okay, the next section, listening and speaking. Listen to the words and repeat them. I want you to repeat after me. The first one is bow. Repeat after me. Bow. H-O-W, how. N-O-W, now. C-O-W, cow. Once again, repeat. Bow. How. Now. Cow. Okay, here we have ow sound. Yes or no? Mostly, not all the words have ow sound. Bow, how, now, and cow. Ow sound. So the spelling is O-W. But now look at the next section. Section B. Now look at the words below. Listen to these words and repeat them. Notice the difference in the sounds of the OW letters. Here also we have the words with OW, but there's a slight difference. Grow, crow, slow, blow. What is the difference between the section A and section B? The first section, if it's ow sound, and the second section it's O sound. Grow, O sound. Okay, are you getting it? Bow, grow, how, crow, now, slow, cow, blow. So did you find the difference? It's the one sound is ow sound, and the next section we have found O sound. O, grow, crow, slow, blow. Okay, so in English we have for each sound we have different pronunciations. So that's the main thing. And so here we have an interesting thing we have. It's in page number 57. Listen to the rhyme and repeat it. So I want everyone to repeat after me. It's a rhyme. So shall we start? I want everyone to repeat after me. So ready, 1, 2, 3 and go. Trees grow, glow worms glow, rivers flow, breezes blow, cocks crow, trees bow, farmers mow, dairyman's cow, Today is now, don't know how. Did you get it? We have the rhyme and which is mainly focusing on OW words. So it will be OW sound and O sound. Okay, once again, I want everyone to read with me. Trees grow, glow worms glow, rivers flow, breezes blow, cocks crow, trees bow, farmers mow, dairyman's cow. Today is now, don't know how. So I hope you have enjoyed this. Mainly this is about making you understand how to know the sounds of the words which have OW. And the next sections are the things which we are not going to discuss, because these things actually have to be done in the class, or because it's a risky time for you to go out and find the things. We have a project also, and it's about finding pictures of people who have participated in the Olympic Games and so on. So it might be most of them will find it difficulty to find the pictures. So I thought of not doing it. So with this we're stopping our seventh lesson. And please complete all the notes and whatever is given. Please follow the classes on time, and please learn uh, regularly. Okay, I want everyone to study regularly, and please don't keep anything for pending. And I hope you have enjoyed this lesson. Please read the lesson once again, and the question answers will be given the next class. And I want you to write in the notebook very neatly. And we'll be discussing the next class, next lesson. And please, until then, take care.